Do you also want to automate your customers chat? Then let me show you this magic. So here I'm going to enter this message that is, hey, I need help. And you will see that I will be getting an automated reply and I will get the answer of my every query. And here you can see that I'm getting this response. And here I'm going to enter a random question and we will see that we get the answer of that particular question or not. So here I'm going to enter this question that is, how do I find the right property? And we will see that my AI is chatting with me as a business representative, and here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. Now let's enter one more question to see the proper working of this particular AI assistant, which is resolving all the queries of my customers. And here I have entered this question that is, what documents are required to buy a property? And right here I'm getting the answer of my question. So now you can see this AI which is chatting with my customer as a business representative. So as a business owner, you don't have to manually interact with your customers regarding their queries, because this AI assistant is going to do so and resolve all the queries of your customers within that instance of time. So now you can also create this amazing AI assistant by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me show you how to create this amazing AI assistant. And no worries, you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating this AI assistant. So let's move on towards the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow and create this AI assistant for automating the customer's conversation with the business. So right here I'm on the AI assistant page of Pabbly Chatflow, which you can get by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation or this AI assistant for freely inside Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this AI assistant and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the AI assistant page, where don't forget to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this entire process, then you can check the video given on the description. And right here we are in this AI instruction tab, where I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent, but you can select another instruction type as well. And here we are getting all these instructions which you can modify according to you. Now on this AI configuration section, we are getting this option for setting the temperature. So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So as you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But I'm going to keep it as 0.5, which is the most suitable temperature. Now here you can select the AI to use, and from here you can select the model of your OpenAI. Now here we are on this API key section, where you have to enter the API key. And for getting this API key, you have to visit this OpenAI API's key page given over the help desk. And right here we are on this page where you just have to click over this create new secret key, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and your API key will be created if you're using a paid account. And right here I already have my API key, so I'm going to just click over this connect button, and here you can see that it is saved successfully. Now here we are on this AI assistant settings section. And now here we are on this AI assistant settings section, from where you can manage some of your AI assistant settings, such as you can provide the header or the footer message by just enabling these toggles. And the next we are getting this option for stop keywords. So stop keywords are the words which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I want to stop my AI assistant as soon as someone enter this message that is stop. So here I have made this word as my keyword, but I'm going to keep it as disable only as this was just for the demo. And here we are getting this option for retry attempt. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range is from 1 to 10, but I'm going to keep it as disable only. And at last we are getting this option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. And now let's manage the knowledge source. So right here we are going to provide the knowledge base to our AI assistant. So now you might be thinking, what is this knowledge base? So as we were recently interacting with our WhatsApp chatbot, it was providing all the details on the basis of the knowledge base. So knowledge base is basically a document containing the details of our business, and it basically acts as a brain for our AI assistant. So my AI assistant was fetching the data from this knowledge base and resolving all the queries of my customers. And this knowledge base can be uploaded either in the .txt file format or in .pdf. And now let's upload it. And right here I'm on my media library, where you can see that I'm having this knowledge base for the real estate business. So here I'm going to just select it. But if you want to add a new knowledge base, then you can just click over this add new file. So I'm going to just insert it, and here you can see that my knowledge base has been uploaded successfully, and we are getting the name and the vector ID of our knowledge base. Now let's move on towards the assistant interface and configure it. And right here we are getting this first field for entering the header display heading name. So here I'm going to enter my header display heading name as urban nest. So here I'm going to just enter it, and as I'm entering it, you might observe one change, and that too in the preview of your AI assistant, that we are getting the same header display heading name which I have just entered. And the next we are getting this option for entering the header display subheading name, where we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, which can be seen on the preview of your AI assistant as a subheading. Now here we are getting this option for initial message, where we are already getting an initial message that is hi there, how can I help you today? And this message can be seen on the preview too. So you can provide two initial messages over here. Now for this next field, that is display the powered by Pabbly label, you can either enable or disable it. But now I'm going to change it to disable and see the changes. And here you can see that the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared. But I'm going to keep it as enable only. And here you can provide the footer text and the footer link. And at last we are getting this option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp from the user side. Now let's customize the visual appearance in the styling tab. So here you can select your preferred theme mode, preferred assistant shape, and you can change the coloring of many properties of your AI assistant. And here you can provide the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and background picture too. So this was the simple process for creating an AI assistant which is going to automatically chat with your customers and going to resolve all their queries. Now let's enable this AI assistant, and now let's save it by simply selecting this save AI assistant button. And right here it is saved successfully. And once you have created this AI assistant and you want to embed this AI assistant to your website, then you just have to click over this embed button, and here we are getting the script code which you can paste over your website, and this AI assistant will be embedded to your website. So this is the process for creating an AI assistant and embedding it. Now let me show you how you can enable this AI assistant for your all contact or a particular contact list or particular chat. So for enabling this for your all contacts, you just have to move over the settings, where you will see this option of inbox settings. and you will be landed to this page where you just have to scroll down, and at last you have to keep this button enabled, that is for the enable AI auto replies. And from here you can select the contact list for which you want to enable this AI assistant, or either you can select your all contacts too. And from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So this is the process for enabling AI assistant for your all contacts or a particular contact list created over the Pabbly chat flow. Now let me show you how you can enable it for a particular chat. So for that, you have to move towards my inbox with me. And right here, I'm going to enable this AI assistant for this particular chat. So right here I'm on this chat where on the right hand side we are getting this option for choose AI assistant, which you have to enable, and from here you can select the AI assistant which you want to enable. So here I have selected the AI assistant which I have just created, and now let's save it. And here you can see that my AI assistant has been enabled successfully. Now if this user will message me, the responses will be provided by my AI assistant. And now, as a business owner, I don't have to manually interact with any of the customers because this AI assistant is going to do so. So now you have seen how you can create this amazing AI assistant by just using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And you have seen that you don't require any coding or technical skills for creating it. So what are you waiting for? Automate the entire conversation between you and your customers by just using this amazing AI assistant. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.